Listen to what this blogger from Ukwuani, who have been fighting Igbo unification, said concerning Anioma State. He said that our child and our daughter-in-law, Mrs. Archie, and her daughter are still in captivity till date. Yet, none of you is talking about it. What seems important to you now is the creation or non-creation of Anioma State. Some of our politicians suddenly want to appear relevant, but when it comes to the actual development of our land, you won't hear a word from them. Mr. Ado Nkem Stanley has a court issue with the Delta State government, and none of you stood by him. They will still create this Anioma State and nothing will happen. It is only online that we have power. The South already has 6 states, so if any new state is to be created, it should be in the Southeast to complete its own 6 states, making it a fair grouping in the Nigerian political zoning. The only thing I will agitate for is that the Anioma capital must remain in Anioma, not in Olo. It would be very inhumane to the people of Anioma to move their capital to another town outside Anioma. If not the creation of Anioma State go help liberate Ukwuani land, then let the will of God be done. The truth is bitter. Now, Ukwuani blogger where they fight Igbo unification talk this thing. He's now having a change of mindset. So many of these our Ukwuani people that are fighting Igbo unification, they are seeing what we are seeing. Now the ones who don't wake up from that denier, they talk like this. So I know this guy na Ukwuani person. He don't comment for my comment section say Ukwuani is not Igbo. We don't want to join the Southeast. Now, he don't change mouth. Everyone must testify that the Igbo unification movement wants the best for Anioma people. He said that the slot for a state to be created was meant for the Southeast, and that the Southeast needs an additional state to balance the region, 6 states. He said that the only thing that he's agitating for is for the capital city of Anioma State to be in Anioma land and not in Olo. If to say now this one be the argument where our people for Ukwuani land get, then it's negotiable. Now this argument I want to hear, not be we don't want to join the Southeast. This is a very sound argument. What in talk now show say he want to make Anioma State join Southeast because that is the only thing that will bring development to Ukwuani land. He have realized that we can only actualize Anioma State by accepting this offer given to us by the Southeast. We Anioma people, we want to make the capital city of Anioma State dey for Anioma land here, but make it come out from Asaba, because Asaba of Asaba not be person where be say you go put capital city for him community. Person where be say Southeast matter not dey sweet am, Igbo matter not dey sweet am. In community, capital city not supposed to dey for that place. Asaba is too small. That place called Asaba, it just be like person compound. All those airport area for Asaba, na Ibuzo get all those land. If to say you dey go Okpanam through that Asaba Bini expressway, if you just pass that northwest fuel station for all those places where they build all those gigantic hotel, after that place na Asaba end. The rest they go na Okpanam land. If you dey go on nature from that Asaba, all those places for them are Oko, Okwe. So Asaba is too small to be the capital city of Anioma State. Asaba is already filled up. We need to use another Anioma community as the capital city of Anioma State to plan our city from scratch, to build a very beautiful city for Anioma people. Someone like me, I want the capital city of Anioma State to be in Abe community in Ukwuani land. Ukwuani people are the most marginalized people in this Delta State. In Anioma land, Ukwuani people are the most marginalized people. So we need that capital city to be in Ukwuani land. Now this one is supposed to be the argument of our people for Ukwuani land. Not fighting against the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast, as if the South that we are now have given us anything positive. Other regions in this Anioma land have benefited from this South more than we Ukwuani people that have the resources. If you go Asaba, you're going to say Asaba they benefit. If you go Ikaland, you're going to say Ikaland they benefit. If you go Oshimili and Anyocha land, you're going to say Oshimili and Anyocha they benefit. Come Ukwuani land, nothing to show for it. He said that if Anioma State will liberate Ukwuani land, then let the will of God be done. Only Anioma State will liberate Ukwuani land. That is a fact. We have been in Delta State since 1991 and nothing is working in Ukwuani land. This shows that South is not favorable to we Ukwuani people. This shows that South is not where Ukwuani people belong. Ukwuani people should know that Ika people don't have the same agenda, motive and mindset with we Ukwuani people. That is a fact. There be Ika, we be Ukwuani, we be brothers, but as it be say, we not get the same dialect. Then, boundary day. For Ukwuani land now, the agenda of Ogume people, if that agenda is a good agenda, Ogume people go want to make other Ukwuani people benefit from it, because then they see every Ukwuani people as their blood, as their family. But a car person not go do like that. Ukwuani people are brothers, but these people have a different dialect from us. Ika first, and I be waiting to come in mind. Ika first. So you know gonna expect Ika person when they put Ika first to put Ukwuani first. I want you people to understand what I'm saying, because some people they say, they say Ika people not good. No. Every Igbo speaking region have their own agenda. For this Anioma land where we dey now, we Ukwuani people we not get the same agenda with Ika people. We Ukwuani people should put Ukwuani first. That is politics. We know they put Ukwuani first. That's why Ukwuani is backward. As this our brother talk now, he thought say Ukwuani people not they ever speak up. Our people are always quiet. When I tell them, I say Ukwuani people, all we know how to do is we not follow, I don't want wahala, make a them my own. Now it be the problem where we they face for Ukwuani land. And that's why Ukwuani they go backward. If you read this right up, you gonna say Ukwuani is so backward. The way this guy did right, you gonna say Ukwuani they suffer. Look at what he wrote there. He said, if Anioma State will liberate Ukwuani people. See the word liberate. If to say Ukwuani people they enjoy, you not go put that word liberate for that place. This thing they pay me say my own region Ukwuani they so backward. I'm not go fit come out and tell you say see infrastructure where Ukwuani gets. I'm not go fit come out and tell you say see federal university, see state university where Ukwuani gets. I'm not go fit tell you say see federal hospital where Ukwuani gets. Nothing we get for Ukwuani land, and now we be the majority Igbo speaking region in Delta State. Now we be the majority Igbo speaking region in Anioma land. The thing don't touch this guy, so that he can't confirm say we Ukwuani people we need Anioma State. This Anioma State agitation where they see so. Now Ukwuani people need that the most. So if you be Ukwuani person, they see Ika person, they talk say, we don't want Anioma State. We rather remain in the South. We rather remain in Delta State than to join Igbo people. You as an Ukwuani person, ignore that person. This is why I said put Ukwuani first. If you be Ukwuani person and you put Ukwuani first, anything where Ika person they talk no concern you. If you see any Ika person they talk say you don't make Anioma join Southeast, it not concern you, because you and them not get the same mindset, or not get the same agenda, or not they suffer from the same thing. The pain of Ika people is not the pain of Ukwuani people. And that is why as Okowa they do what this is what they do now. Some Ika people they support them. All those other people say that they benefit from them. You Ukwuani person, you say Ukwuani land not they benefit anything. When Okowa na the senator representing Delta North, Ukwuani people benefited nothing from him. Okowa did nothing for Ukwuani people. He became the governor of Delta State. Okowa did nothing for Ukwuani people. Now Okowa they fight the zoning of Anioma State to Southeast. You Ukwuani person be say Ukwuani land is backward. You not supposed follow Okowa the group. They thought say you don't make Anioma State join Southeast. If you be Ukwuani person and you dey follow Okowa and the group, they thought say you don't make Anioma State join Southeast. AZH where they represent Ukwuani people for House of Reps thought say you don't make Anioma State join Southeast. You Ukwuani person wey know say Ukwuani land dey suffer. Say all these people are politicians. They are fighting for their pockets. You follow them. They thought say you know make Anioma State join Southeast. How you go take get Anioma State if not be say we join Southeast? Not fully aware that if the slot for a state to be given to the South comes in the future, Anioma State will never take that slot. Other state agitators no go fit leave Anioma to collect that slot to get Anioma State. Some of our Ukwuani people they don't say wetin they want now Ukwuani State. How you go take get Ukwuani State if you not get Anioma State first? Abi you think say slot for South come out for South to get one more state in the future? Then Ukwuani people wey be say we not sabi play politics. We not get politician wey get head for Ukwuani land. Now that time Ukwuani people go come and they talk say we want Ukwuani State. You will never get that state. You not go get that state. We not ever get that state. We want us to play politics. Ukwuani wey be say we not dey talk. Ukwuani wey be say so many of our youths are confused. All they know how to do on social media. We not be Igbo. We not be Igbo. Speak up for Ukwuani land to be great. They not go talk. People wey not know say Ukwuani land dey suffer. People wey not know say na them be giant of Anioma. Ukwuani is the giant of Anioma, but they dey suffer. It's very shameful. Now Ukwuani voice suppose loud pass for this Anioma State creation. Ukwuani bloggers are supposed to be supporting Anioma State creation. Calling on the federal government to give us Anioma State. Supporting Senator Nwoko. Instead, some of them are there saying wetin Senator Nwoko don't do for Ukwuani land. Anioma State is the biggest project in Anioma land. This Anioma State what we find now is the biggest project in Anioma politics. So any Anioma person where they thought say, what have Senator Nwoko done for Anioma people? Have that mindset that Anioma State is the biggest project anyone can get. Make we Ukwuani people put Ukwuani first. Nothing good will enter Ukwuani land if we not put Ukwuani first. Before we Ukwuani people go put Anioma first, make we first of all put Ukwuani first. If we put Ukwuani first, good things go dey enter Ukwuani land because we go grab that thing, put am for Ukwuani land. We go put Ukwuani first before we go put Anioma first. And to put this Ukwuani first, we Ukwuani people are expected to fully support Senator Nwoko. Some of our regulators say we not like Senator Nwoko. You don't need to like her before you go support Anioma State. Get Anioma State first. Politics now, the politician where they there, even if you not like him, as far as say they support your interest, he won't give you your interest. Support and make you get that interest. Now the waiting person will get sense they do. Even if you not like devil, if now devil be the only solution for you to enter heaven, partner with devil make you enter that heaven. How many times we go tell our Ukwuani people the benefit of Anioma State to Ukwuani people? Senator Nwoko have assured we Ukwuani people that Ukwuani will provide the first governor of Anioma State. That one a big win. You know what he be say? For 8 years, Ukwuani go be the governor of Anioma State. With that 8 years, we go mount Ukwuani people for Ukwuani politics. Ukwuani politics go strong. Ukwuani go raise more men wey go dey represent Ukwuani people for federal level. We go get our own senator for Ukwuani land, senator representing Ukwuani people. We go get 3 House of Reps members wey go dey represent Ukwuani people. We go get more local governments for Ukwuani land. Our local government for Ukwuani land go pass 3 local governments. Anioma will have at least 30-something local governments. All these things are benefits. The more local government we have in Ukwuani land, the more government go reach our people for Ukwuani land. More local government chairmen. Make una check all these things. Now waiting we Ukwuani people supposed to dey reason. When I tell you stop to dey follow Okowa boys, they reason the way that they reason. Ukwuani they cannot get the same agenda. We not get the same mindset. We not they suffer from the same problem. Make we Ukwuani people do wetin go make Ukwuani land develop. If you thought they go say, hey, Igbo people go change our language. This Delta State where una dey so, Urobo people don't change una language. Una dey close to Ika people. Ika people change una language. Una dey close to Oshimiri and Anancha people. Oshimiri and Anancha people, they change una language. No. So now if Anioma State join Southeast, una dialect go come change. Make una dey reason like people wey get sense. Make una stop to dey disgrace Ukwuani people online. This guy don't reason all these things. He don't check all these things. He say, now the only option where we Ukwuani people get be this. This is the only option for Ukwuani people to develop. This is the only opportunity. Opportunity comes but once. That is why we need to grab it now. If we not get Anioma State to join Southeast now, we will never get Anioma State in the future. And we will never get Ukwuani State in the future. Ukwuani people, make una wake up. More than stop to the fall on a hand. It's so shameful that people where they suffer pass. Now they can't still like failure pass. Because any Ukwuani person who no want to make Anioma State join Southeast, any Ukwuani person where be say, you want to make we lose this opportunity. Any Ukwuani person where they talk say, instead of us to join Southeast, make we dey for Delta State they suffer. That Ukwuani person not get sense. Because of one or two things where they feel for your mind, where they put fear for your body, where they make you thought you don't want to join Southeast, you want to lose this opportunity. Southeast where we say, they understand our dialects. We get the same culture with them. Ikenga or four market days. Names, food, name it, everything. We and then are the same thing. You don't want to join them. You want to make you deal with Yoruba and Isoko people where we say, one another understand each other language. You want to deal with the security people where we say, one another understand each other language. You want to deal with the job people where we say, one another understand each other language. Forgetting that Urobo and Ukwuani not get the same agenda. That's why they develop pastors, even as he say, all of us dey for the same Delta states. Urobo not even they fight against the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Instead, they are saying, Anioma people, get your own states. Go and join your brothers. That is what they are saying. I never see Urobo politicians they fight against Anioma State creation. But instead, our Ukwuani people say they support this Anioma State. Make Ukwuani land develop, make Ukwuani land grow. Then they talk say, we don't want to join Southeast. Igbo people, they want to change our identity. Then they call us Igbo. We not be Igbo. We be Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people, we're not supposed to know say, Ukwuani dialect is Igbo language. Every Bia speaking language in this country called Nigeria is Igbo language. You dey be Okolo, you say you not be Igbo. You dey be Okafo, you say you not be Igbo. You dey be Ugo, you say you not be Igbo. You dey be Onyekachuku, you say you not be Igbo. You dey be Okolie, you say you not be Igbo. Which people are bearing these names? Those that are bearing these names are Igbo people. If we get Anioma State and join Southeast, we are still Ukwuani people. Ika people are still Ika people. Oshimiri and Anyocha are still Oshimiri and Anyocha people. Your Ukwuani identity will never be wiped away. Your Ukwuani dialect will remain intact. Why when they get all this unnecessary fear will not get heard? Fears that does not exist. Instead, some of our Ukwuani people they talk, sit at home. We don't want to join Southeast because of sit at home. We go join Southeast and you go see say, sit at home go end. Because the reason for that sit at home, now the marginalization of Igbo nation. That sit at home is a protest. If sit at home end now, Igbo nation go start to dey play politics way they inside. To see say, Igbo nation is not being marginalized again by the federal government of Nigeria. Now marginalization now bring about that sit at home where they see for that so. Southeast they sit at home, then they progress past we where we say we not they sit at home for Anioma land here. You can never compare Anioma land to the Southeast. Some of Anioma people are saying, the Southeast want us because of our resources. All Southeast states have crude oil and gas. Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, Imo, Anambra, they all have crude oil and gas. Imo State has the highest gas reserve in the entire Africa. So what did they make when they feel say, nah, crude oil where they Ukwuani land, they make them because they won't make we join them. We Ukwuani people we get the crude oil, are we benefiting from it? You did Delta states, politicians from other tribes, from Yoruba land, from northern Nigeria, now them get the crude oil where they Ukwuani land, and then they benefit from it. You Ukwuani people have never for once come out online, dragging these people, complaining of marginalization, telling them to hands off your resources. Instead, now Southeast where you never join, you get mind, come online, they talk rubbish for comment section. If I talk, say so many of these our Ukwuani people not get sense, they go talk say they insult them. This is the only opportunity that we have. I want us to grab this opportunity. Ukwuani people, make una wake up, make una dey reason smartly, reason fast. You can't person say you don't want Anioma State, you move for them. They thought you don't want Anioma State, you don't want to join Southeast, you don't want to join people who say when they speak the same language, you don't want to join people where they understand their dialects. Are you not a fool? All tribes for this country where they speak the same language won't unite to be a greater force. See what this our brother they talk, say Ukwuani people not they ever talk. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. The reason why they say now Urobo develop pass for this Delta state now because Urobo people put Urobo first. They not put Delta State first. Because putting Delta State first means putting the entire tribes in Delta State first. And if you put all Deltas first, you're not going to succeed for your own tribe. So in order to succeed, In order to play the politics, you have to put your own tribe first. But Ukwuani not dey put Ukwuani first. We not get that time. All we know in Ukwuani is doing irrelevant things to dey fight progress. Now, which is so many of our Ukwuani youth sabi. We don't want Anioma State. As you don't see, no want Anioma State, you dey fight Ukwuani progress. For so long, when we start this Anioma State struggle, we don't educate our Ukwuani people. They tell them say, look at the benefits of Anioma State to we Ukwuani people. See what we go benefit. See good thing we go enter Ukwuani land. Instead, we allow unnecessary fear. Things we know they exist to dey separate from our Southeast brothers. So Ukwuani people wake up. It's so shameful say for this Delta North now they suffer pass. It's so shameful say for this Delta North now they fight Anioma State creation. Knowing fully well that we can never get Anioma State if we lose this opportunity. No mind SH for all those things where they talk. SH no mean well for Ukwuani people. What did SH don't do for Ukwuani people? Our Ukwuani people they say what is in the work don't do. When our own brother Patrick Osakwe was the senator representing Delta North, what did Patrick Osakwe do for Ukwuani people? Did Patrick Osakwe agitate for Anioma State? Did he give us Anioma State? What did Patrick Osakwe do for Ukwuani people? Now Federal University or State University give for Ukwuani people. Because so many of our Ukwuani people now to they drag somebody who come from another region they sabi to they drag senator they will go, what have you done for Ukwuani people? Waiting Patrick Osakwe, our own Ukwuani brother will be senator for Anioma do for Ukwuani people. Nothing. Okowa enter nothing. Instead, Okowa debut or debut abo. Now when I open my mouth, they say, what has Senator Woko done for Anioma people? What have you done for Ukwuani people? The biggest thing West Senator Woko don't do for Anioma people now to give us Anioma State. And we must actualize that Anioma State. Because that is the only way for Ukwuani people to succeed. Ukwuani people, make una take this word where I tell una so serious. And that word is put Ukwuani first. We are Anioma people, we are one people. We are Igbo people, we are one family. But we must put Ukwuani first. If you like, use all your full mind. They follow people. You want to make it good for everybody. So many of those people you want to make it good for, they don't want to make it good for you. Ukwuani people, let's support Anioma State and make sure we get this Anioma State and zone it to the southeast. Waiting there for Ukwuani land where we say, now people from South investor. South people, they get time to invest for another person land. As asaba dey so, now southeast build asaba. Asaba for asaba, they thought say no one join southeast. Because of him, he stepped down say no one be chairman of technical committee again for Anioma State. Shows that he is fighting against the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. Because if to say Asaba for asaba not they play politics with Okowa, he not go step down. Knowing fully well that Anioma State is for the betterment of Anioma people. Now, Ukwuani people, you see what Asaba for asaba do now. He's not doing it for the interest of Ukwuani people. He did it for his own interests. This is why I said that Ukwuani people put Ukwuani first. The way Asaba for asaba put himself first over Anioma people. He put himself first over Oshimiri and Anyocha people. When I say Ukwuani people put Ukwuani first, I know what I'm saying. If to say Asaba for asaba put Anioma people first before himself, he not go dey fight against the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. He not go try am. If to say he put Anioma people first, if to say he mean well for we Anioma people, all those character when they display not go to display am. Asaba is benefiting more than we Ukwuani people that have crew there in our land. If you be Ukwuani person, they talk say not be Igbo. Join the people where we say una they understand each other. Now you show say you get sense. If you talk say you don't want join people where we say una they understand each other, say you will remain for Delta State make you they suffer. Say you better say they suffer than for you to join Southeast. You not get sense. If you be Ukwuani person and you reason that way, you don't have sense. Ukwuani people, make una the voice out. Speak your mind. Speak reality. Coexist with your Southeast brothers. We are one people with our Igbo brothers in the Southeast. The only people that truly love we Anioma people in this country are our Igbo brothers from the Southeast. Non-Igbo people will never put Ukwuani people first before them. Non-Igbo people don't love Ukwuani people more than themselves. The only person that truly loves an Igbo person in this country called Nigeria is an Igbo person. Ukwuani people, don't miss this opportunity. Anioma State must be actualized and zoned to the southeast. Ishiewale.